The Indian LCA fighter jet crashed at Dubai airshow. How did the fighter jet fly? The picture you are seeing now is Captain is at the Dubai airshow. Before the fighter jet crashed, on the first and second day of the airshow, the flight performance of the Indian LCA fighter. I was standing on the right side of the airshow, on the runway where the plane landed. Because it was my first time watching the Indian LCA fighter fly in person. So I took some video footage. My feeling at the scene was that the Indian fighter was very daring. Low altitude pass and roll, quickly maneuvered, climbed, turned, and flew upside down, which was very exciting. In the airshow, the plane that can perform the same aggressive stunts, F-35 and Su-57. I think the Su-57 is the most spectacular. F-35 has the highest status. The F-16 is also quite intense. But this Indian fighter jet also flies very excitingly, and the movements are very frequent. I just came back to China today and saw this news, although India is often the subject of jokes. And even at this air show, there were rumors of Indian planes leaking oil. But in an instant accident, a pilot died. It's still a pity. Let's take a look again. Captain Shengshin at this Dubai air was filmed on the spot. The Indian LCA fighter's flight performance.